Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland with another record, and I'm going to do this one just a tad different, not so much different technique but different colours, and I don't need that much yellow, so I'm going to use another cup. So what I'm going to do is put about that much yellow, and I've got a switch in here or two of black, so a bit of black, and then I've got some cobalt blue, and I've got a smidgen of grass green, and I have some bright red, and then a bit more yellow. Way too much paint. I know that. So, oops. And in the centre hole of my record I've put some blue tack, which is white, so I guess it's white tack, but they call it blue tack, so there you go. I don't work that one out. Don't want to know. So we'll just leave it for a second. Now I put silicone in the red and the blue, but not in the other three, so oh, how pretty. Okay, I'll just run him around a little bit. Usually when I do this I use a black or a white as the main colour, but then suddenly I thought, why not try something just a touch different, and I'm losing all the yellow. But here we go. Take it off a bit. There. Oh, that's looking nice. Actually, it looks like a great big wave. I like that. So, still got a bit more here. Can do something pretty in the centre. Right, yes, now I have it. Now I'm happy. Excuse me people, stop barking please. Right, so one word for me, they normally do what they want, but hey, just once to show off and to show you what brilliant little dogs they are. They stop barking when I ask. Alright, I'm going to torch this and see what I have, and that's really nice. Okay, so nice lot of little tiny cells. The colour lends you to think that it's an underwater scene, but I just think it's very pretty, except for that blotch I put in there. Let me see. Bit of blue maybe. Just running through. Well, ooh, I'm surprised. Okay, that's good. I'm not doing any more to that, I don't think. I'm just going to leave it as it is. It'll settle down as it dries, which it is doing, and that's really nice. Excuse me, Winston. So the recipes for the paint and pouring medium down below under show more, as is the link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. No, that's Winston. Winston. Here's my little poodle dog. This is what I'm looking at. How pretty is that? I think that's lovely. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do, and click the little bell. You'll be notified then as I do more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.